Some people in our lives really love mayonnaise.
Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine.
And that means that when we, make food for them, we have to accommodate. So let's make some mayonnaise. Okay? Start by separating an egg from the yolk. I have provided an image here to show you how that is done. Next, we want to beat our yolk to a smooth consistency so as to make it easier to incorporate our ingredients later. Then we want to add a teaspoon of mustard. I like to use a French Dijon mustard. You can use any brand or type as long as it is smooth. Mustard not only contributes to the overall flavor of your mayonnaise, but will stabilize the emulsion of the oil that will go in later. Now, you want to start adding oil. Start with adding a few drops at a time and mixing them in. Adding too much oil in straight away will mess up the emulsification process and leave you with an oily thin mix that can only go in the garbage. I like to use a bottle with a dropper on it so as to control how much oil I'm putting in. Trust me, I learned this the hard way. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt. You can also add any spices in here or even garlic. It's up to you. Personally, I'm keeping this one plain and simple. Keep adding little volumes of oil in. Without a food processor, this is a laborious task, so be prepared for a workout. As you emulsify more and more oil, your mayonnaise should start thickening up. If it doesn't, something's gone horribly wrong. Here's a quick note regarding the oil that you're using. Generally, recipes call for olive oil to be used, but in my personal experience, purely using olive oil can leave a little bit of a sharp or bitter aftertaste. So I like to use it in combination with a more neutral tasting oil, such as maybe sunflower oil or even rapeseed oil. You can even use vegetable oil if you're on a budget, as egg yolk will really emulsify with any form of lipid. Now add some vinegar. You can use any type of vinegar you like, ranging from apple cider vinegar to Swedish Etika, and as much or as little as you like. Just keep in mind it will make your mix a little runnier at first, so you will need more oil. And what do you know? After a while, you should get that thick, creamy consistency that mayonnaise is known for. Transfer it in a container of your choice and leave it to chill in the fridge for a little bit. And you're done. I don't think I need to tell you about the versatility of mayonnaise, but here's a serving suggestion in case you were confused. For example, with some potatoes. It's mayonnaise. You get it. Okay?